Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we got Ethereum on Coinbase on the daily. Uh, as you can see, you've been in a downtrend for quite a while. But let's see here. Let's see if we did we make a higher high? Can't see it. Come on. Looks like, hold on, let's see. Close 29.39. Close 29.35. Barely by $4. We made a higher high. So we're operating on higher highs, higher lows on the daily. You did build some nice momentum. Now, this is the first higher high since you started this downtrend and higher low. Uh, right? No. All right. So you had a higher low here, kind of had your fake out, but you did make that lower high. You had your higher low here. You did not make a higher high. Words are jumbled. But yeah, so you do have a reversal here, trend wise. Now, your moving averages tell another story. Uh, unless your 21 curls around and crosses this 50, if your 21 and your 50 start cracking down and cross this 100, that's not going to look good. If that happens, I think you break this purple region. Your momentum is still, I mean, you barely got out of the bearish control zone, but we'll take what we can get right now. You are above the signal line, MACD, fresh cross to the upside, but it wouldn't take much to turn this back down. 1 day tick, and we can turn this back down. So far, your positive momentum is just beginning. So you need to pay attention to that. We did break the range. Okay, so we were saying pay attention to what direction that broke out. We did get front ran of the 50. BBWP is still very low. So this move hasn't really started yet, at least not on the daily. Let's move to the 8-hour. Higher highs, higher lows. Your momentum picked up quite a bit. It got us out of the bearish control zone. It's not a lot of momentum. Plus, you got bearish divergence here. So we could come back down, test the top of the range, maybe. Depends on what Bitcoin does too. BBWP is expanding from low region. Let's go to the 4-hour and then let's talk about some stuff. All right, so 21 is trying to cross your 50. Your 100 still has a negative slope. So does your 200. Your 100 seems to be flattening out. Actually, you have a positive slope barely, but we'll say it's flat. You did get a rejection from the bullish control zone. You are testing the signal line as of now. If this closes here, we got 2 hours left. If this closes below this 100, like I was saying, I think we come to the top of this range. BBWP is high. MACD had a fresh cross to the upside and a retest on these last pumps. Let's see here. This one crossed us. This one was a retest right here. Let's see. Let's put on our fib. Find out where we can pull back to according to, nope, wrong way. Let's go to the 1 hour and do that. So yeah, on your 1 hour, okay. On your 1 hour, this could be a BART. So if we break that 21, I think we come all the way. Once again, we could probably come to the bottom of this or the top of this range again and give up most of this rally. But you're going to have high support there. I would also guess that this lines up with some sort of fib level. Okay, so basically the 618. Let's go ahead and, nope, let's leave it. So yeah, your 618, also your 50s in the middle. I mean, this is high support here. Let's go ahead and put a box because this is where I would expect at least a big bounce. And, you know, if all we're going to get is a bounce, I would expect this bounce to either go up to the 0.5 or back up to the 21 on a bounce. Now, we don't know whether this is bullish or bearish yet, Right now I'm neutral. Because on, yeah, we got a nice pump. You know, it's all good. But we're not out of the woods. Wow, our momentum is waning. Our positive momentum is waning. So this could crack back down. It wouldn't take much. I mean, on your MACD, your negative momentum is increasing. You got a fresh cross to the downside. And your RSI got back out of the bullish control zone. You are below the signal line. I mean, you didn't even get a whole retest here. You just got front ran on that signal line. BBWP is still low. So it's either we go up or down. Or sideways, right? No, but the move, it's going to have another move here quick. Your BBWP really, I mean, you moved right here. You got that nice pump. But since then, I mean, you kind of just flatlined. You know what I mean? Which a lot of times that happens with the BART. You know, so just be aware of that. Either we bounce off this 3A2, come down to the bottom, to the top of this range where the 618, the 50, and the top of the range is, which is what my thoughts would be. I think we could probably come down to the top of this range, unless we bounce off this 21 to the 382 and just head up from here. Could also go sideways and make a BART. So you got two probabilities that would at least lead you down to the top of this range in the short term. All right. And then one is that we break this last high at 29.48 region. If that happens, no, actually, I would want to see us break 29.55 on a 1 hour closure. And then I would expect us to, let's find out what our next upside target would be. I would expect a small rejection at 29.78. But honestly, I think we would head back up to that last high and that last BART at 30.15, basically 30.16. So those are your validation and invalidation levels. If this does break back into the range, let's check that out, because that shit will not look good if we break back into the range. First thing I would expect is a bounce from the 200, probably the 100. That would give up this entire rally. If that happens, I mean, I think we come all the way back down to the 1618. So if we break this box, I think we come all the way back down to 37.65. And those are my thoughts for Ethereum. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to remember to start putting this in the middle of the video, because most of you guys probably click off by the time it gets to the end. My thanks to those who stay for the whole videos. So yeah, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out our shill links in the description below. And check out our Discord. Definitely check out our Discord. And everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening. And I will see you in the next one.